with JBL, you can take the music on your phone, share it to a speaker over Bluetooth, and then share that music to over 100 other JBL speakers. For doing this, you must be sure that they are of the same generation. This means that if we are looking at this one, we have this little triangle over here that we can also see over here. This means that they are of the same generation and this will work. However, if you have another one which have this symbol, this means that they are not compatible together, unfortunately. Now, if we want to do it, I'm actually playing music on this speaker. The only thing I need to do, and it's not important of the order we do it, there's only one speaker that is playing right now, it is this one. I will turn on the sync feature over here. I just have to press on this button, and on this one I will also press on this button to turn on the feature, and they will be recognized, and it's already playing on this other speaker. So they are already paired. If I had another one, for example, if this one had this triangle, I would only have to enable the feature and it would work. So it is as simple as that. I hope this was helpful.